Have you ever wanted to be the kind of person who doesn't snap when their kids have a tantrum, doesn't give up after a setback, or isn't afraid to chase big dreams? That person isn't a unicorn. They just know how to control their thoughts, and that skill is available to you too. You're listening to BeliefSpark, where we believe coaching should be easy to access, simple to understand, and comfortable to try. You can write in today at the link in the description to receive free anonymous coaching on whatever challenge you're facing. I'm Coach Jen, your BeliefSpark avatar, and today we're talking about the self-coaching model. In this first video of our series on the self-coaching model and how you can use it to create the life you want, we're going to explore exactly what this powerful framework is, how it works, and why it's foundational for coaching yourself through any challenge. This model breaks down your internal experience into 5 parts, helping you understand how your thoughts create your feelings, actions, and ultimately your results. The self-coaching model from the Life Coach School, created by Brooke Castillo, is a simple but powerful framework designed to help you understand how your mind works. It is the foundational tool that we use at BeliefSpark, and you can use it to coach yourself at any time to solve any problem that you face. This part may feel a little mechanical or maybe even boring, but once you know how to use it, it will change your life. At its core, the model shows the chain of how our internal experience shapes what we do and what happens in our lives. The model shows how everything can be broken down into 5 parts. It goes like this. Circumstances create thoughts, which generate feelings that lead to actions which create the results in your life. Let's break down those 5 parts and try your best to reserve judgment until we talk through some examples. First are circumstances. These are facts or events, neutral and objective things happening outside of you. For example, I didn't get that job, or it's raining today. Next are thoughts. These are the meanings or interpretations you give to the circumstances, like I'm not good enough or this weather is terrible. It's the story that we create. Feelings are the emotions that come from your thoughts, sadness, anxiety, happiness, calm, etc. Actions are how you behave or respond based on your feelings. Avoiding, reaching out, working harder, procrastinating. And finally, results, which are the outcomes or consequences that happen because of your actions. Getting a new job, staying stuck, feeling fulfilled, etc. So again, circumstances create thoughts which generate feelings that lead to actions which create the results in your life. This isn't a new concept. Throughout history, people have noticed, studied, and written about the power of our thinking to create our world. Philosophers like Marcus Aurelius emphasize that it's our perception of events, not the events themselves, that shape how we feel. In the 17th century, René Descartes famously said, "I think, therefore I am," highlighting the foundational role of thought in our existence. More recently, modern psychology, through cognitive behavioral therapy, teaches that changing our thoughts can transform our feelings and behaviors. Even the Bible reminds us in Proverbs 23:7, "For as he thinks in his heart, so is he," showing the timeless truth that our inner thoughts shape who we are. The self-coaching model is just a simple framework that we can use to bring awareness to our thoughts and what we're creating in our life by the thoughts we are choosing, or even more often, the thoughts we are letting run on autopilot. Now that you know the 5 parts of the model, in the next video, we will explore why the self-coaching model is so helpful and what makes it a powerful tool for creating change. Be sure to watch the next video to learn the top 5 reasons this model will transform your life.